it now. Called him in, but he threw away the candy and ate the rap. I chewed him up and spitted him out. Conked it up, now kick it down. He's looking around this club and it looks like people are having a shit fit now. Yeah, little trailer trash, take a look who's back.